fix your lower back pain if you have pelvic floor dysfunction. That's the subject of this video, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shakib from Core Pelvic Floor Therapy right here in Irvine, Orange County. When you think about pelvic floor dysfunction, a lot of times people don't even think about their lower back or their hips or their pelvis, the joints in the pelvis. They don't think about their posture. They don't think about their breathing. And yet all of those things are involved in the integrity of the pelvis, which is the house that pelvic floor is the floor of. So when we're so narrow-minded in our approach to a problem and we disregard everything else that feeds the problem, is the reason why the problem keeps persisting. And you seek treatments here and there, you get some relief because it's the right approach, but it's a partial approach to the comprehensive problem. When you have lower back pain, over time, it becomes chronic lower back pain. And then there are these modifications in how you walk around, how you work around this pain that now impact the way you move. The way you move directly impacts the integrity of your pelvis. And your pelvis is the house that pelvic floor is the floor of. So then down the road, you may end up with things that are traditionally thought of as pelvic floor issues, like incontinence, like sexual intercourse, like pain in the vagina or penis, pain in the anus, pain in that tissue in between, and so many other things. I've done videos on that. I've written blogs on it. We'll make sure we put a video at the end of this one that talks about the subtle signs of pelvic floor dysfunction. Maybe we can even put a link to the blog I wrote on subtle and not so subtle signs and symptoms of pelvic floor dysfunction. So you can go ahead and review that. But when you don't pay attention to your lower back pain, because it's lower back pain, what does that have to do with your pelvic floor, is when you lose that opportunity to address the problem before it becomes a problem. So the purpose of doing this video is to give you that awareness, and please help yourself. You're losing time, and that is that one thing that you will never gain. Hope this helped.